In this tutorial, we'll see how to create a parallax effect in Filmora. Before that, if you're new to this channel, then consider subscribing and follow for more video editing and Filmora related tutorials. So let's get started with the tutorial. As you can see, I've already added a media in the bin. So let me just drag this into the timeline and let me keep it to the project settings. So now what I will do, I'll keep this media to just 10 seconds. Media, yeah. So the main part about this parallax effect is that you should have a central object which you will be tracking and a big background. So if the object is close and there is no foreground or more background, then you will not be able to really recreate this effect. So as you can see in both the intro and in the video earlier, there was one central element, one central object which was used, and the rest other background was used to create the parallax effect. So in this girl is a central object, and what I will do, as you can see, this video is the one is a drone shot and it is moving away from the object. In this, the object is steady and there is a movement of going away. So this effect can only be created when there is a two-way movement, that is, one is going away, another we will create a zoom for that. So make sure you have one steady object and the movement of going away from that object. So once you have this video, what I will do, I'll click on it, and here I will, as you can see, there is an option of crop. So I will click on that, or you can right click and select the crop option, and then I will go to pan and zoom. Now what we need to do, we need to create a zoom in object. Since the object zoom out is happening in the drone effect, we will create a zoom in the video which is in editing. So what we'll do, as you can see, this is, you will take this stone as the reference and this stone as the reference in this side, and we'll keep around this much height above it. So what we'll do, we'll click on the end part and go to the end of this video. So now what we'll do, we'll drag this, make this smaller and fit this over here. So make sure this is almost the same as this length, that is the beginning. So we'll go to the end again. I guess we are almost there, that same amount, little. And make sure this aligned in the center so that it really gets this effect. So let's click OK and let's see if we're able to create. So as you can see, the parallax effect has been created. The choppy video is because I have set it to proxy settings. If I render this, let's see after rendering. So as you can see, the parallax effect has been created. So as you can see, this effect sells because there is a far away background which helps to create that parallax effect in this video, keeping this central object as steady. So that's it guys with this tutorial on parallax effect. Hope you guys like it. If you guys like it, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Filmora related tutorials. See you guys in another video. Till then, see ya.